Thank you, online and offline students, for giving your valuable feedback. So, as committed, if at all we find anything else which has to be rectified, so we are going to give them a high priority for that, and it will be, I mean, like we see that it will be resolved as early as possible. Thank you, online. Thank you, offline. Right. So we don't need to give the current Gmail, right? You doesn't need to give your current Gmail. You can give it as an abc@gmail.com. So you doesn't need to give your original mail ID. Okay. Thank you, online, and thank you, offline.
Now, students will continue that application. So run this now. Done. So next is called number you enter. Here I'm going to say, oh, what is this? Hmm? Oh, Ravi Kumar, my dear student. Okay, Yunus. because myself only initiated this feedback process. Because feedback has to be taken every day, every class, all the days they have to take feedback. What happens is in full stack Python, and especially if I take it, there are 6 parts are there. Each teacher has to teach perfectly. The process of feedback has to start from my batch only. In should require only 70% of the feedback is there. They are good teachers. But I said no. I need 90% above, 95% above is good. Then I will take my classes. Otherwise, no. Now standard. Now standard. That is my standard. 70% okay. In should is happy. But my standard is this one. Because I'm above 95% talented student in my academics. So I need this. Okay. Why sir that 5% people are not filling, some of them not filling feedback form? Okay. So anybody need to participate in the feedback. Huh? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, that is different issue. Because you have to twinkle, twinkle like a star with the faculty subject. First you apply on me, I said. Day one I said now. Day one I said or not. Now also I'm saying. Last class I'll say. I'll shout on you. మిమ్మల్ని తిడతాను అంతా చేస్తాను కానీ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అడుగుతాం నేను సార్ తిట్టాడని నెగిటివ్ ఇస్తే నాకు రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ లేదు అది నేను సబ్జెక్ట్ బాగా చెప్తున్నానా లేదా వెదర్ ఐమ్ టీచింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్ దట్ ఈస్ అన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ నేను మిమ్మల్ని తిట్టానని నెగిటివ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇస్తే నాకేం కాదు అది నథింగ్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ 95% నాకు పైన ఉండాలి అండ్ నేను ఇఫ్ ఐ టీచ్ లైక్ దట్ యూ టు నాట్ ఫోర్స్ఫుల్ నో కాంటాక్ట్ నంబర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ నో నేమ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండ్ అన్నోన్ పర్సన్ నీడ్ టు స్పీక్ దట్స్ ఆల్ ఓపెన్ ఛాలెంజ్ క్వశ్చన్ దిస్ ఇస్ correct or not? Yes. So genuine, that's all. Okay, students. Now I'll move to the further. So, right. Thank you, students. Those are all participating in that process. So, so, and okay. See, whatever, Harshit. That's what I'm saying. This feedback is going to be an important process. And without reading, without practicing, giving feedback also, student participating is of no meaning. You are because doing fun in the class, not doing fun in the adi కాదు ఇక్కడ subject teaching or not, that is an important. Okay, anyhow, that you keep it aside. Now enter into the subject. So feedback process is a normal. It should go on every day. It is my intention. How in should will take, I don't know. They have to take every day feedback, every day. Beginning class selfie, end of the class selfie. Seeing both the selfies. If face is glow, continue. Otherwise, no. Adi subject open ikkada. Open. Okay. No need to fear to anybody. No internal marks. You are getting good knowledge. You praise them. Otherwise, throw them out. That is my advice. Okay now. Start. Online students is my open mind is open minded. Feedback is clear. Now I'll move to the further. Right. Now, any good faculty for data. Good faculty means no extra like that and no nothing. They need to teach good. They need to be clever in the academics. Clever. Programming knowledge is important. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to enter into this place. Enter the number. Okay. Number is 100. Name is called what you know. Rosum. RSUM. Something like 234. It was again invalid. You enter again here. Say this now. Enter the number 123. Enter the name he is called Rosum here. Enter the marks is called 34.AB. And say this is called what? Don't enter alpha names. You say next you run it again. Next you run it again. So here I will go for it. 100 here. RS here. Now I will go to 34.56 here. Now data saved in a file. Are you following me? Right. This is generally no faculty will try to tell this many exceptions and all. Because their talent is like that. My talent is like this to tell all these things in one class. This is what my talent is. Generally, no faculty will touch this. If you don't understand this without reading the notes, I can't do anything because I already explained now. Yes. So anything is a crystal clear, so genuine, no more fishy, no second thought, open. Right? Gold, 24 karat gold, not 22 karat. 22 karat means something is mixing. 24 karat gold. Gold and a gold. That's all. I expect that only. Okay, now students? Right. Don't hesitate to participate in feedback. Participate in feedback. Okay, now? Right. So, because your money will not come free of cost, you need to evaluate like that. Not only here, everywhere else, this is required. Now, coming to the next part of it, student add.py. This part I tested it. It works fine. This part I'm going to carry in where. So, see, I used this side type of thing. Are you following me? Suppose this part may not be there in your system. May not be there in your system. That time, how do you do? For that, whatever you have written it, that I'm going to, which packages I got it or not. How you do it now? Suppose you cannot do this because you don't have this folder in your system. What you do is, what I'm taking is, take ma, look at that. You carry these three things you carry. These three things you carry here. Where I'm carrying, here I'm going to put it. In this place, you carry. Here you carry. This part I will remove that time. This part I will remove. This part. This part I will remove. Because anyhow it is there here only, now. Exceptions I developed here only. Next is called what? Name validation. This function also I will bring here. This function also I will bring. Name validation. So here. This is the one. I will bring it here. This is the one I bring it from here. So see students, I am taking this part. Here you see ma. Here I am going to take up. This is the one I'm taking. See students, this part also I am going to remove. So this is called what validation. Code for validation of name. Code for validation of name. Validation of name. Okay. Write it. This is the name. You understood. I wrote the code there only students. Understood? This is the way. I said packages and without packages also you can do like this. Okay? Fine. Both packages I said and without packages also I put everything here. Want to test it? You can test it. Want to test it? Need to test like this. So here like this. And one more thing is what student? Somebody will do when boss is there, they will do something. They will do acting. When boss is not there, they will try to do something. That is not the way now. When boss is there or not there, they have to be on time to the classes. Correct or not? When boss is not there, coming at 9:40, 9:30, 9:80, like that. No. When boss is there, not there, you are the boss by yourself. Need to prove your sincerity by yourself, even in the life also. Okay, now. So that's why this feedback process is required. Is there any column in that timing column is there? Timing column is not there? You have to mention that also. They have to mention that also. Okay, run this column now. Run this data. So here, 100 says something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is an invalid name. You say 100x, it is called invalid name. You say something like 1, 2, 3 and KV 1, 2, 3, 4. It is called invalid name. Like this you need to. This is called what? Tested here. Go to this place. Now I will move to the further. This point, I will get it into where? To my main program, I will come. Here I will write it. From where? Student add. Import what? What is my function name? What is my function name? Come on. Save student data. Save student data. So here I will write it. In place of that, I will go for what? Save student data. Save student data. It is my function name. Getting? In that, I will take one type of function. What is the function thing I will take it? NIT dot data. nit.data. Now, first time I'm taking this file. This is my total file where my data is present. So, are you following me? Now, this is my function name. This is my exceptions. Exceptions here, and then this is not necessary. This is called a development of what? Development of what? Exceptions. Development of exceptions. I'm going to take it. So, validation code for validation of name. This is the save data. Everything is done. Clear? Fine. Students in online. Yes, my things are clear. This example. This is more clear. I'll go to the next. Another point I'm going to take up. To the next point, mom. Close this part. Go there. Next, student views.py. Views. Views is nothing but what? Retrieving. Retrieving. Get all the students record. Get one record at a time. So both of them I will write students. Go to that. Get student views.py. Student views.py. I'm going to take up. I'm going to take up. So here expecting. So student views dot what? Py. This is the one I'm taking it. Student views dot py. So here it is called what? File name and what? Module name. File name and module name written. But how many functions I'll write? Two. One function is what? One function is what? Get all the records. Get all the records. Say what you know. Pass. DEF. I'll write the code there. DEF. What is this now? Get record. Say what now? Pass. Pass. Are you following me? Dear students, get all the records and get records. Get all the records means what? Unpickling only now. Get all the records means yesterday we said unpickling or not. See ma, yesterday there is a unpickling example. Unpickling example. Unpickling example. Just look at even in today also something is there. This is a pick. Actually student.pic I said I think so. Student.pic. This is a pick yesterday's thing. Today you just see what record was saved it. Only one student record was saved today. Today. Gurtunda? Pick. Don't ask me. Sir, yesterday you entered something, today you entered something. This PIC, this pick, yesterday's. Now, coming to this place. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోలేదు ఏమంటావు సో కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ సార్ ఇది నిన్నటిది లేదు సార్ ఈరోజు అని అనకూడదు ఆల్రెడీ దేర్ సో కమింగ్ టు ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ దిస్ పాయింట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కోడ్ ఐ రోట్ ఇన్ ద యెస్టర్డేస్ క్లాస్ నా టుడే ఐ విల్ క్యారీ this I will write it where I am going to put it here. This is for what? Views under students records I will write it. Under students records I will write it. This is the one I am writing here. Students, remove that. Here I am going to write it. Just a minute ma, just a minute. So here I am going to write it. 1 minute. So this part I will take care. Only this part I will take care here. Or I will take complete this one because later I need to do indentation and all. It will be difficult for me. Directly I will write it. This entire place. Student views. Write it over here. What is my function name? Come on. View. My function name is get all records. Get all records. Here I will write it. Get all records. So here I will go to student pick.r. This one, it is going to be like this. Okay. So this part, student dot, what is my function name today? NIT dot what? Data. NIT dot data. NIT dot data not yet created so far. Now I will go to this NIT dot data. This also I will show you. This part I will go for it. In this case, what is happening? If I go to my function name, what is my function name? Get all records. Try to run it. What is happening? File does not exist. File will create when I run my previous code. Okay, clear it. Now go to the place. Here I'm going to main program. Come on now, remove this. What more? Come on. What is the function name? Get all records. Get all records is present in where? Student, 1 minute. Student ఇక్కడ తీసుకురావాలి, నాట్ ఇన్ దట్ ప్లేస్. యా, 1 minute మా, 1 minute. In views I need to bring it. In views I need to bring it. Okay. Pickle dot. Import what? Pickle. Import a pickle. Okay. So get into student views dot py. This place. Get it across. Here I'm writing in this place main project. Student. Student. Student views. Student views. Import. Get all the records. Are you following me? Sir, run చేస్తాను. I'll run once. Run it. All the students, I think no more confusions. I think you are following me. So take care. Run this code, mom. Right. See. Enter your choice. Tell me. What is your choice? One. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇనిషియేట్ చేయాలి కదా. డైరెక్ట్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? ఇప్పుడే కదా ఫైల్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అని చూపించాను కదా. సో ఎంటర్ ద స్టూడెంట్ నంబర్ 100. సే RS. Say something like 34.56. One student data saved in file successfully. Say one more time. I say number 200. I say number is called TR. I say marks is called 45.67 ABC. What is happening? Don't enter AL, NUMs and etc. Say the student, enter your choice 1 and say 200. Say DR and say something like 44.23. Done. Now second, 2. What is the 2? Is it not 2 details are coming or not? 2 details are coming. Perfect. So like that, when you go to home today, you contact to Apollo Pharmacy. MedPlus is there in your near to your region. You ask them, boss, I want to develop a project for your MedPlus software. They will say how much money you want. First of all, they will look at top to bottom. Who are you? You tell by yourself, I am a Pythonist. I will develop wonderful project for you. Give me your requirement. I will develop everything. They will develop, they will see, this is my requirement. Will you develop? 100% I'll develop, you say. And they will ask you, what is the cost of your estimation? Till 2 lakhs. You develop that in 2 months. 2 months not necessary. In 1 month you can develop complete picture. And 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is less only actually, because you are a beginner now. You can charge like that. For that, cost estimation techniques are also there. Software engineering, Delphi cost estimation technique, Coco Como model is there in software industry to test the to estimate the project, including variable declaration. Also, they will cost a matter. They will line by line steps. Also, they will cost cost the money. Cost estimation techniques they are called. Okay now. So for development project, MNC companies will take crores of rupees. The crores of rupees, half of the money company will take and half of the money they will distribute to the employees. Do you know that? Cost estimation techniques. Okay? Real time coding is that much costly. That much costly. Correct or not? So even AI tools are coming in your field. Take agriculture sector. In your field, they will see the land in nature. They will tell what will be the crops need to put it in your land to get more profits. Who is intelligent? Actually, farmer field, for everything is farmer only doing. But this person is important over there. He is telling which type of crops will give you more profits. Same thing. IT intelligence is an important. How it is intelligence coming? Coding. To write coding, what to do? చదువుకోవాలి. Need to read. How to read? Theory, no. Coding. Understand? Yes. మీకు అన్ని అర్థమవుతాయి, కానీ ఒక్కటి చేయరు మీరు. మనకున్న ప్రాబ్లం అది. ఎనీహౌ, ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ? మళ్ళీ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తాను. 1 1 సే సంథింగ్ లైక్ నంబర్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్ యు నో, నంబర్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ 300 kb. Say 11.11. So data inserted, saved successfully. 2. View all the students. My data also coming. When pharmacy receives some new drugs, new medicines, I will enter all of them one by one. I will enter all of them one by one. I will see the list of medicines available in my pharmacy. Right or not? I will enter what? Date of packing, date of expiry also. When I start my system, it will show what are all the medicines are expiring the date. That also has to show. Date and time concept also I will explain to you. Date and time concept. Super example, super concept. Like that you need to learn subject. అర్థమవుతుందా? So like that you have to get it. So go to the place. Next, I'll say what? Exit. 7. 7. 7 means exit. Sir, run once again. Run once again. In ATM project, we have seen now. What is that 500 rupees, etc. You have seen. When I rerun my code, again start for 500 only. Now you start down 2. What is my data? Is my data persisted or not? Persistency means storing the data permanently. I will go to Union Bank of India. I will talk to manager. Manager, I will automate your banking software. Please give me the project. They will see who are you first of all. You tell, I'm a BTech student. I know Python this much. You explain by yourself to the client. They will believe you. To which client you developed the project already? What are your rewards? What is your credibility? How many people are using your projects across the non-IT sector? What is your talent? What are the projects you are handling under this progress and how to do it? They will impress about your presentation and subject and coding. You gather the requirements from the bank employees. Start project. They will ask you what is the cost estimation. 2 lakhs you have taken from Apollo Pharmacy. I need 15 lakhs. No need to do job anywhere. Freelancing. Freelancing. How many months? 1 year. Do it, no problem. Next to go forward, Union Bank is over. Visit to Corporation Bank. Banking sector is same transaction. Contact the Corporation Bank. Tell to, I already developed banking transaction for Union Bank. I developed it. They are using now. This is a project did. And this is a stars I got it. Customer satisfactions and everything. And you tell me how much. We'll say, okay, impressive. Once one bank is already implementing, they will like you to go for it. You cost what? Don't cost more. 15 lakhs only you say. Why? You are not going to write the same code again. What are you doing? Reusing the code. Already you developed it. You are reusing the code. How you reuse the code? Modules, packages, database changing at max. Everything same. There 15 lakhs, 1 year. Here 15 lakhs for 3 months. Next, visiting to what? Bank of Baroda. Telling to these two achievements. Don't cost more. You cost what? 10 lakhs only. Because you are completing there in 1.5 month only. Are you getting? Is it possible in government job? Possible. Where it is possible? Software field only. What is the secret behind of success in this? Coding. Coding. Taking this much of book, writing rough note, that note, use. While loop, flow chart, do while loop, flow chart, no use. Understand? Now, like that, you need to work on pharmacy sector, financial sector, marketing sector, production sector. Like that, if you have it, then the company will stand on their legs. You can start next what? Startup. You'll become CEO. Under this, many people are working. So, can you imagine by closing your eyes once? Close your eyes and imagine once. Don't sleep in the class, okay? My dear students. So, I'm not joking here. This is what Infosys Narayan Murthy. They are all big people has done small startups only. They have come up like anything. Do you know this? That means you have every talent in you. but only utilize it. Fine. So, right. Himanshu. Now I will go to the further. Naresh is a working employee. Naresh is a working employee. So, try to take their opinions and all. Now I will move. Student cannot think like this. Student will think in only what? Notes, diagram, geometry box, chocolate, pen, pencil. But real time student will think in this way only. Okay. Any of students go to the further. So all the best for your further journey and you do good things to the people in the project development. Okay. Come on. Now go to next what? Two things done. One is called what? Student save data, get all the records. Next is third. What is the third, ma'am? View single student details. View single student details. Now I'm going to student view. Go to where? Come on, ma'am. Get to what? Student record. Get records. Here what? Get all the records. Here what? Get record. From where? From where? A customer is going to the bank clerk asking, sir, tell me my balance. What I will ask? Tell me your account number. I will go to that and tell me your account number. I will enter the account number. I'll spell, details will come and I'll tell, okay, your balance is this. So what I'm taking now also get the student details means I'll take your number or not. You'll go to one university. You want to see your details. They will ask you what? Hall ticket number. You will go to Apollo Pharmacy. They will enter what? You are asking one tablet name. They will search on tablet name. And the search is there. Immediately will go for the track and he will try to pick it out. Correct or not, students? Go to LIC office. You want to know your premium details. When is the last date to pay the premium? What is the last payment to pay? They will ask your policy number. Enter the policy number. They will search the policy number in the file. If it is there, they will pick up your data. That is called get the record. Getting or not? Yes. Come on. Tell me what to do. Records are there in where? Palakanda, file. Records are there in file. What I am doing? Getting the record. Need to open in which mode? Come on, ma. ఎందుకు కామ్గా ఉంటారు సార్ ఎప్పుడు వెళ్ళాలి అపోలో ఫార్మసీకేనా టైం ఉంది కదా ఆఫ్టర్ ద క్లాస్ విజిట్ ఒకసారి అడగండి ఆఫ్టర్ ఆస్క్ వన్స్ సే వాట్ టు డూ విత్ ఓపెన్ కమాన్ NIT dot data. Suppose NIT dot data is there in some location D colon ABC folder etc. What you will do? Path. Absolute path you write. NIT dot data, comma what? RB. Why RB? Always pickling I will prefer. Write to read I don't use. Pickling only I will use it. Okay. If this is file is not there, what is happening? Try. See. Except. What is this now? File not found error. Next is what? File does not exist. File does not exist. See, students, always you need to act dual role in the development time. If I am the normal user, what will happen? If I am the developer, what to do? If the normal user is there, normal user chance is there to enter wrong data or not? If I get the wrong data, what should I give the message to the end user? User friendly error message. How to give user friendly error message? Through exception handling. Try, except, else, finally, raise 22 points I said now. గుర్తున్నాయా? No. All 22 points. Stand up. What is the use of try block? Use of try block. Exception raised in try block, అది ప్రాపర్ పర్పస్ చెప్పాలి నాకు. అది పేరు దానికి ఎక్సెప్షన్ ట్రై బ్లాక్ వేరే నేము ఎక్సెప్షన్ మానిటరింగ్ బ్లాక్. పర్పస్ అడుగుతున్నా నేను. ఆ ట్రై బ్లాక్ వేరే నేమ్, ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ నేమ్ టు ట్రై బ్లాక్ is exception monitoring block. You have to tell what are all the statements are generating exceptions. They must be written in the try block. If I write that exception statements in try block, The exception will come inside. They will come out of the try block and go to except. If I don't write try block, it will go out of the program flow. So that is known as what? Controlling my exceptions. You have to tell. Hmm? Like that. The moment I ask the point, you have to tell immediately the point. Okay, students. మీరేం మాట్లాడట్లే సైలెంట్ కూర్చొని ఉన్నారు ఊరిక సంథింగ్ నీడ్ టు స్పీక్ నో ఇంటర్నల్ మార్క్స్ కమాన్ with open nit.data comma rb. What should I do now? Get the data from the file or not? How do you get the data? How do you get the data? I will get all the records from the file. How do I get it? Already said while true, try. I said try and say what? Record is equal to what is that? Pickle dot what? Pickle dot what? Load. Pickle dot what? Load of what? FP. What is coming? One record will come or not? That record, I will put it into my another record. Why? I'm getting all the records from my file. I'm putting into one list. Actually, this is a list now. Yesterday's class only shown you, na? It is a list. Record, comma, type of record, list. That record, I will keep it into one list. What is this now? Records is equal to what? Empty. I will take up what? Records dot append of what? Record. Sir, why are you appending? Because I'm capturing what is the data present in that and I'm writing except. What is this? EOF error. And I'm saying what? Break. This is my data. Where is my total data present in? Records. Hold on. Very, very important. It is coming out of that. Still within the indentation only. For my satisfaction, you print what? Records. Just for your testing purpose, I am taking now. Go to which one? Get record. Only get record. For your satisfaction, I am writing. See, students, what is happening? Is it not getting all my records here? First record, inner list. Second record, inner list. Third record, inner list. 3 records are there which are inner list. Getting? Those things I have to accept what now? I have to accept employee number or not, student number or not, LIC policy number or not, account number or not. How do I accept it? Now after that, now you got anyhow records like that. Now get it what? Get student number. To search in student number, to get its details, to get other details from where? File. Get student number from keyboard to get other details from where? File. Aadhaar card, you take it. Enter Aadhaar card number and getting other details or not? Come on. SNO is equal to int of input of enter student number. Enter student number to get other details. Okay. That SNO I need to search in where? Ma? What is my data? You take it once, sample data. See how great logics these are all. Super logics these are all called. Without telling also, I can go to another topic in files today. But I want to tell you, this is called complete things I'm using. This SNO, I have to search in first inner list of first element, second inner list of first element, third inner list of what? First element. If my SNO is equal to first inner list of first value, then print the details. If it is not, go to next one, get this one. Like this, I need to go for it. Are you following? Getting? Come on, how did search it? This is my data, sample data for you. Come on, for I will do what? For record in records. For record in records. What will come? This record will come or not? What is that record type? List. నేను ఊరికే చూపిస్తాను మీకు ఊరికంతే. జస్ట్ ఐ విల్ షో యూ. ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాను మళ్ళీ. ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ వాట్? రికార్డ్స్. జస్ట్ రన్ ఇట్. Just run it. Of course. This is called record only, not records. Record. Am I getting records or not? In the record, what I want? Only numbers I want. What I will do? Of 0. Of 0. What I am getting? Numbers I am getting. That number is equal to my SNO today. That number is equal to SNO. Super. Now I am writing if SNO double equal to what? Record of what? 0. సూపర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. మనకి ఇది అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు. అర్థం కాని వాళ్ళు ఫీడ్బ్యాక్లో పాల్గొంటే ఏమవుతుంది? వితౌట్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ యూ పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? రాంగ్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ వెళ్తుంది. బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ అల్టిమేట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద కోడ్ యూ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. SNO ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రికార్డ్ ఆఫ్ 0. వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్? వాల్యూ ఫౌండ్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్? ఫౌండ్. సో వాట్ షుడ్ ఐ డిఫైన్? Print of here only student number is equal to dot format of SNO, or you can go for it what? Record of 0. Record of 0. Next is called what? Student name. Student name. I will take up student name. It is called 1. Next is called what? Name, and then what? Marks. And then marks. You'll go for what? 2. 2. After printing that, you say this line. You say this line. Break, you say. Because already number is found or not? Backslash T, backslash T, backslash T, and backslash T. Are you following me? Or if you say student, if you are already well aware of it, sir, if I don't want to do like this here, and you say what? Something like REC or found. Found is equal to what you can say? True. What is the found here? Found is equal to what you are saying? False. And if it is found, you say found is equal to true. Otherwise, you come out of this. What you will do? If what is this? Found. You write the data. If record is found, you print what? Record of 0. At this moment of time, you are breaking and you are coming out of it. Record of 0, record of 1, record of 2, like this. Else, what you will do, ma? What you will do? Print of what? Student record does not exist. Student record does not exist. Does not exist. So, try to run once. Enter the student number 100. What is happening? Number, name, and marks. Number, name, and marks 300. Number, name, and marks. Fire. Fire is coming. Number, name, and marks. Enter the number 101. 101. Student record does not exist. This is coding under. You'll go to Apollo Pharmacy, you will show something. They will search the tablet name there. Tablet name searching means what? Get all the tablet names from the data file and compare that list of tablets with the user tablet name. If it is not there, it is showing what? Tablet does not, you will say, try in another place, you will say. Beginning only you will not say, you will search it. After that, you will say. You will get like this. If it is there means what? You will go to the rack and he will give you. Correct or not? Yes. This is called subject student. Now, you see, my dear student, suppose if it is not the case, if the number is entered something mistake, if the number is entered something mistake, student, see how I am writing the code. Here you need to write. What to do? Here only. What I am doing? Except. Every moment, except. What is this now? Value error. Value error. What I am saying now? Print of what? Come on. Don't enter ALNUMs, STRs, and symbols for SNO. Try again. Try again. So try again. If at all you want, you can try again by running it. Try to run this. Say number here 120x, 12x, like this. Are you following me? So Like this, you need to go for it. I think you are following me. This part I will go for integrating in where to my main program. Integrating in my main program. See students, remove this. Here try is there. One another try is there. One more try is there. Try. Don't try in, try. Don't learn concept like that. Application based questions you write it. How to use in application you learn it. Don't write theory. Can I write try in, try? That is not the way. Can I write try and try on situational basis is required. In finally also you can write try and try. Already shown you. Like that you need to learn students. That is the subject. So coming to the point of it, you should not butify like HTML. This is a tag. You have to write like this only. Now open question is what? How do you develop your own tags? H1 is there or not? H1 will display bigger H1 H2 H3 is there or not? K1, K2, K3, KV1, KV2, KV3, KV4, KV5. I want to also develop my own tags. How to develop it? ఎప్పుడైనా వచ్చిందా మీకు ఆ డౌట్? వచ్చిందా? రాదు మీకు. How to develop my own tags? H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. That is the tags. Who developed the tags? You don't know. మీకు రాదు ఆ డౌట్. Why? Because you are all expecting project based salaries, not product based salaries. How to develop my own tag like work like H1 tag? Anytime you ask them, మనం ఏం అడగం అసలు. So come to the point of it. Come to the point of it. Now I will move to the further. So is it clear? Go to this place. This is comes under what? Searching this entire data. Found of this. Go to this eliminated. Go to student main program. What I will do now? What I will do now? Tell me. What should I do? Get to record. Get record from this place only. Run the code. Run the main program. Come on. What is this now? 3. Enter student number. Enter student number. 300. 300. I got my data. I got my data. Enter. 1 now. 1 now. Say some 400. 400. Something like Ravi. RV. Say something like 677.77 is that 2. View all the records. Ravi records are there. Enter view a single student record. 3. Say something like 400. 400. Student Ravi record is coming now. You say next 3. 3. You say something like 125. 125 is not there. Student record does not exist. Without telling also you can go to next topic. Next topic if I go like a college, syllabus is completed. Brain will not complete with subject. Understand? Right. You will understand, but you will not practice. 7. Come out of that. If I run again, so see third one, see second one. Am I getting total data or not? Tomorrow also you come and execute. Day after tomorrow also you come and execute. Data is available. Now I will go for what next? What is the next operation? I'll go to next one is delete a record. I will say which record you want to delete. I will enter the record number. I want to close my account. I want to close my account. Or India is banned some type of pharmacy, some medicines. I will remove from the shop. Delete. From the database I want to delete, or from the file I want to delete. How to delete? Based on the product ID, based on the account number, based on the student number, based on the hall ticket number, based on the policy number. How to do that? That we will write the next code. Next code is that only. So I'll go to at the time now. So it is at 10:50 because today I started late to the class because of my morning batch, because of feedback session, some more 10 minutes. Because in your batch only all these things are coming. It has to take place also. So tomorrow class, I'll go because in hurry, I don't want to make it something rush over it because it's not a academics. Lakhs of rupees paying, memo receiving, lamination, keep it in the bag. After that, knocking the head, nothing is there in the brain. will not work out. What will work out? Subject. Now, I will move to the further. So tomorrow when I come back, first 1 hour, I will do this because this is a very, very important. How to update my data? That is random access file data without knowing indices. Without knowing indices by getting in Python programming, Python data structures. There is a Python data types by using how to update it. I'm going to explain. Okay, don't miss tomorrow class. This will be continued tomorrow also. So this I'm not going to post to today. Case study I will post it. These questions I will post it because it's an incomplete now. Tomorrow I will post it. Or today I should post it. Today I'll post it. టుమారో అంటే ఈ రోజు రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటావా? ఏం స్టూడెంట్స్ సార్ పోస్ట్ చేయండి సార్, ఈ రోజు వరకు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తామని చెప్పాలా. టుడేనా టుమారో? టుమారో ఇఫ్ యూ సే టుడే యూ విల్ ఫర్గెట్, టుమారో ఆల్సో విల్ ఫర్గెట్. అండ్ మధ్య మధ్యలో అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు రైట్ టుడే నా టుమారో అని. యూ విల్ సే టుమారో అంటే టుడే వాంట్ టు స్లీప్ ఆర్ వాట్? టుడే ఐ విల్ పోస్ట్ ఇట్, యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ అప్ టు హియర్ అండ్ టుమారో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐ విల్ యాడ్ ఇట్ దట్ ఆల్సో యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. So I'll stop this. Tomorrow I'll continue the session. Thank you. Carry on. Any more doubts, my dear students? Deepa Charles, my dear student. So, Deepa, so what is your things, mom? You said something. So, thank you, sir. I think you should train other faculty in Naresh IT itself because I joined other faculty class before your class, but I was not satisfied with the teaching. Within 2 days, that faculty finished the data operators. Okay, mom. Deepa Charles. Okay, mom. We'll take care of that. That's why this feedback process required.